Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off Hey Siri on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose System Preferences from the menu that appears. In System Preferences, choose Siri. Now you want to uncheck the checkbox to the left of Listen for Hey Siri. Hey Siri is now turned off and your Mac will no longer listen or respond when you say Hey Siri. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.